Ready or Not, and the only thing we did was just add a black smoky, and then we added lips, red lips, and yeah, that's the looks. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna do the next one, which is Ready or Not. We're gonna do just, close your eyes, whatever was blue, I'm gonna add some more black eyeshadow, and we're gonna make it a smoky. And then also for the lip, it's gonna be a lip change. We're gonna go with a red. So I'm just grabbing the black from this Urban Decay Basics. Any black you have will work. Come back and pack it. And I had already done foundation, so we are gonna have some fallout. So with just a clean, fluffy brush, make sure we clean off any of the excess powder. And like I said, remember to just pack it. And what I mean by pack it's like I'm pressing into her lid and just pushing it down like that. And then somewhat in a swiping motion as well. And I'm using a flat brush. I recommend applying heavy color with a flat brush like this. And then this is a blending brush. It doesn't need to be these, it could just be any flat and blending brush. Getting that blending brush, and then I'm gonna just blend it in here. Just blend. Blending, blending, blending. And then going back with the highlights.
Well, something looked big over there, so I was gonna see what it was.
Same angled brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the black.